after 13 years now, the residents have still lost their hope on this road. So with the coming on board of the new agenda, what is the position of the administration, sir?
Well, it's very unfortunate that, and that's why people have lost confidence in government. And that's why the present government, with the new hope agenda, bringing back that confidence of people. I can't believe it. For the past 13 years, this project was awarded. First of all, I don't see the reason why we should do road from Karshi to Naira, which is Nasarawa. That means it is an interstate road. Interstate road has to do with federal government. FCT cannot fund an interstate road, except it becomes a joint venture. Therefore, I'm not going to waste the resources of the FCT to do interstate road. The one that concerns FCT particularly is the Karshi IPOB, which of course the people have been hearing. It's unfortunate, very, very unfortunate. For 13 good years, this road has been abandoned. And I want to say clearly that part of the problem we have here is politics. Everything we politicize, and that is why the development cannot get quickly to our people. I'm happy with under this present administration on the New Hope agenda. We'll do everything possible to see the area of Karshi to IPOB is completed. But my doubt is about the capacity of the contractor. I don't need to be told when you go to a site and you see where people are working or the company is working, you can say, oh, this company has capacity. What kind of equipment you see, you can go home and sleep. We have been to several sites. All of us can attest to the fact that when you see equipment, you can say, look, if they tell you they're going to finish in just 1 month, you believe that they'll finish in just 1 month. But this, I don't believe, even if you put all the resources down. Again, if you go and terminate the contract, then you also have to pay the cost of it. So these are the problems. But I want to urge the contractor, it will no longer be business as usual. I don't care who you are. I don't care where you come from. You must show that you will be serious. In the next few weeks, I want to see the equipment on ground before funds will be released. I will not go to release funds today when I've not seen that capacity. So they must move the equipment to the site, and then that will convince me that yes, we will have some kind of, okay, they've shown some interest, they will can be some funds, but I can tell you I'm not happy at all. It is not what citizens bargain for. It is not. And I was told that another company was awarded to this aspect of the road, go to SCC. I'm going to invite the company back. I don't see how, look at the way they awarded the jobs. You can see the political interest in the whole thing. The game with the connivance of the staff of the STD. They are the part of the corporates. It's unfortunate, but I will take this road as a personal project now to make sure that we complete this road. But I would appeal to the communities to bear with us that the New Hope agenda is serious and do things for them that they will be happy at the end of the day. That's why we're here.
Okay, Your Excellency, with the